Our 3-year strategic plan is split into 3 one-year work plans. Here are some of our achievements this year. As part of our Sam's Story project, we consulted with over 2,000 children and nearly 300 professionals about their feelings and experiences of bullying in Wales. We maintained contact with our community ambassador groups in Swansea, Cardiff and Blaenau Gwent, and we've established new groups in Powys, Flintshire and Ceredigion. They all represent special interest groups to ensure that the voice of some of Wales's most vulnerable children have direct influence on our work. We committed to working in partnership with Mudiad Meithrin and the National Assembly for Wales to have a joint presence at the 2017 Urdd Eisteddfod, to consult with children, young people and adults about play and leisure provision. We worked with the Older People's Commissioner for Wales to create a resource to promote and celebrate intergenerational relationships. Videos supporting the resource have been viewed over 9,000 times on Facebook. We teamed up with the NSPCC in Wales, Cardiff University, Welsh Women's Aid and Welsh Government to create Agenda, a guide that enables young people to lead healthy relationships education, to prevent and combat bullying related to sexism and homophobia. We launched a new student ambassador scheme for secondary schools. 67 schools across Wales are now engaged with the scheme. We worked with Swansea University to create The Right Way, a children's right approach in Wales, to help public bodies to put children's rights at the heart of their work. It was downloaded 314 times from our website during its first week, and organisations including the Wales Ambulance Trust and the National Museum of Wales have committed to taking a child's rights approach to planning and service delivery. Our Hidden Ambitions report focused on care-experienced young people's access to support, housing and opportunities. Following the report, Welsh Government committed £1 million towards increasing support for care-experienced young people. Our report looked at the rights of young people living in and leaving residential care. All of the recommendations were accepted in full by the First Minister. Our core work highlights the ongoing work that our team does from day to day. The significant influencing work of our Policy and Public Affairs team, along with other key players including the WLGA and Welsh Government, has led to a commitment from all local authorities to implement a national approach to statutory advocacy by June 2017. It means that Wales's most vulnerable children will be actively offered the services of an advocate. Our communications team secured 437 positive or neutral pieces of coverage of our work and issues concerning children and young people. Our participation team trained and recruited members of our advisory group to provide the Commissioner and her staff team with independent advice and support. 528 individual cases were handled this year by our Independent Investigations and Advice Service. Our finance team received a number of independent reports from Deloitte, giving assurances of the effectiveness and adequacy of many aspects of our internal processes and systems, meaning we are managing the resources made available to us effectively. And young people were supported to take a significant role in the recruitment of a number of new members of staff, including policy, participation and investigation and advice officers.